asks, that wasn't me. Hey, what does this do? Oops. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. What am I gonna do?
Hey guys, I got Jaffa Cakes. Jaffa Cakes. Jaffa Cakes. See, she already stole my peanut butter, so there ain't no way she's gonna get my Jaffa Cakes. No way. Take it to 'em, ladies.
So, here's the plan. I'm gonna learn how to play guitar, and I'm gonna be really good at guitar, even though I'm pretty sure you have to use this hand to strum the guitar. Bye now. Oh! I found out what the band's name was from yesterday. The Smooth. Check them out. Check them out, do your thing.
This is why you don't drink or swallow or breathe in helium. This is what happened to my voice when I swallowed, drank, sucked, that's what she said, in helium. Don't breathe helium. This has been going on for 4 hours. All I had was 2 balloons. That's all. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Does anyone have any ideas? Well, I did do it. Okay. I admit it. I had like 5 balloons. Big, gigantic balloons of helium. Because it wasn't working with 1 balloon. So I decided to drink 5 big, giant balloons. And now my voice sounds like this. And I can't get it to stop. And it's been going on. It is now 5:30 and it's been going on since 12 o'clock. And I don't know what to do. And now I have the hiccups and my throat hurts. And I feel kind of dizzy in the head. But other than that, I'm okay. Except for the damn squeaking voice. If anyone knows how to stop your voice squeaking from helium, please comment down below. And just please subscribe. Even though you probably think this is ridiculous to subscribe because I drank too much helium. But you wouldn't drink helium, you'd more breathe it. That's why I basically breathed in 5 balloons of helium. And now my voice sounds completely ridiculous. And it's not stopping. My mum and dad left me at home. My sister abandoned me at home because they wouldn't let me come to the pool again, even though I already went swimming earlier on. But anyway, they wouldn't let me come to the pool again because of my squeaking voice and I couldn't talk properly. So now I'm stuck at home alone until my voice stops squeaking like this.